Here I am again today, playing with tomatoes. I will get every one of them used. So my son had said the other night about making the salsa. I don't eat it, but the kids do. I don't know if he does. He knows that Luke does, so I'm like, well, I'm gonna make Luke some salsa. So I chopped up the tomato. This is a little bit of green onion in there, and then of course I thought, video. I saw this on, this is a little piece I was doing too, but I thought, video. I saw this on one of the Food Network shows when they were dicing chives and things like that, and they would fold them like this so they didn't have to cut as much, and I'm like, that is a really good idea. So that's what I did, and you get all even sizes, and look at that, just 4 cuts and all that was done. So I wanted to show you that. And of course I have my bed scraper here. This is from an onion that was going to seed, so we stuck it in dirt to see what it would do, and we got an onion this week. So I thought that was pretty cool. So we're going to put it in the salsa, and I'll see what else that the recipe calls for. Alright, sorry, but I'm going to make you watch this. I cleaned up the onion a little bit. I didn't pre-chop it in pieces, but I'm hoping I don't bounce you off this board. So, fantastic food chopper. So it is a nice minced onion. I'm going to do it a little more so nobody gets a great big bite of onion. But it's amazing how fast you could really whip something up, especially if you're not filming it. I'll be back. I added the onion, so it was 4 cups of diced tomatoes and a 1/3 cup of sliced, which I diced, the green onion with the tops. It called for 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Not everybody likes that. I add some dry cilantro, so I just threw that in. They tell you when you're doing cilantro, if you're doing dry versus the fresh, it's 2 to 1. A tablespoon of fresh is 2 tablespoons of dried. But I figure if nobody likes it, I'm not gonna do all that. So I just put the 3 tablespoons of the dried in here. And then we have our, well, this is probably, the bottle isn't updated, but Southwest seasoning mix. A tablespoon of that. It's supposed to be a tablespoon of lime juice. I didn't have lime juice, so I just did lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then just mix it up right in this bowl, and it's going to go in the refrigerator just like this. I said it's best to set it overnight. That used up some of my tomatoes. My grandson hopefully is going to enjoy his fresh salsa. And like I said, 4 cups of tomatoes gone.